may HBW glue ako. Ito nyo yan. Nabibend na siya. Ayan, no?
Where there is light. Ang dilim naman, oh!
Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. Thank you for watching and thank you for coming back. So, our video for today will be another makeup video. Ang makeup natin gagawin is one of the ML heroes, which will be Esmeralda, ang mage or tank. Tank or mage. She's more like tank siguro or mage. Hindi ko. She's... Di ko naman ang sasabihin ko. Kain muna ako chocolate sis so that I will be happy in the entire video. Thank you, mommy, for these chocolates. Snickers favorite ever. By the way, guys, hindi ako nakahubad. Nakachub ako. Baka sabihin yung nakahubad ako, sis. Hindi, sis. By the way, do you like our backdrop? Kumot ko to. Nilagyan ko lang ng tape. Okay, so since na yung gagamitin natin foundation na naman is yung expired kong foundation, we'll be using this No Shine Mattifier from Quick Effects para to protect our skin. And thank you, Mom, for actually buying this for me. I don't promote using expired products, it's just that I'm working with it kasi I don't have a choice and I don't have the money to buy yet kasi wala pa namang pasok. I don't have, and may pera naman ako, but basin bang banay gusto mo kuan din na mo sponsor mama, basin gusto ko sponsor. Pulos ako nung. So let's start here with our foundation. This is the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless na foundation, and we'll be using a stippling brush. Medyo dark na siya sa akin, and we know that Esmeralda is has a dark complexion, like she's tan talaga. So that's what we'll be doing this today. Baho na siya, sis, makalipong yung kabaho. Kakahilo na ang kanyang amoy, like I swear. So next, maglalagay na tayo nitong aking concealer from Shawil. And hindi natin siya i-overdo. Like, we just want na ma-highlight yung ibang parts ng ating face. And also, cover up our dark under eye circles. So now, next is we will be doing our contour. So, since si Esmeralda is na animated siya, and usually basta animated, they have those pa-triangle na face shape. So we will be also doing that, and papaliitin natin yung dito natin kasi pasensya na nga pala if palagi ako nakatingin dito sa side na to kasi andito yung laptop ko and andito yung zoomed in face ni Esmeralda Singh. So hairline contour stick, nilaline ko siya, but now idadat ko lang siya, pero mukha siyang line. Pero that lang talaga para onte-onte lang. Sa jawline tayo medyo magiging heavy. Kasi for another contour, mas maganda siguro kung may mga contour powder tayo, kaso wala tayong ganyan. So, baka naman may gusto mag-sponsor dyan. Mama. Mama. Basin na gusto mo sponsor. So now we will be powdering, we'll be baking our under eyes, and we'll be using this Nichido Final Powder. Yung takip lang yung pinakita ko kasi nabuksan ko na. So now let's proceed to our eyebrows, and sa kanyang eyebrows, it's really arched, like pang nanglalaban talaga yung kilay niya, parang napaka arch, napaka tawag dito, napaka on fleek. So kanina inahitan ko na to, and we'll be extending this. So let's just try now. And I'm using my Maybelline. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa videos ko, yun pa rin yung ginagamit ko now. Kuha lang ako ng ibang brush, panilinisan natin to kasi napaka-feel niya. Napaka-feel niya, napaka-thick niya. You know, we don't want thick brows. napaka-thin nung brows ni Esmeralda. So, balitahan akong kilay. Okay, so parang ibong lumilipad, ibon na may lanang lumipad. Tama ba? So, dito akong kilay. I'm not really, hindi ako sanay sa ganito akong kilay. So, pagbigyan nyo na. And now, we'll be proceeding here in our eyeshadow. So, as you can see sa kanyang eyeshadow, napaka-smoky lang ng kanyang eyes. More on brown tones. And then, she just have that light wing. Tsaka, yung dark liner sa kanyang waterline. And since we don't have that, we will not be doing that. So, wish me luck. Actually, guys, nag-practice na ko nito. Kaso, fail. And that's my only practice. And I hope this will turn out well. So, I'm here using my infamous Everbelena palette. Kung guys nga, I feel like ganahan na kay ko sa akong pag-YouTube ka. Ano nang guys bisaya man ko. I feel like gusto ko na yung pag-YouTube ko ngayon. Like, I'm a lot more consistent than before. Kasi, I don't know, it just makes me happy, so happy right now. And since may mga kagamitan na ako now, it will be a lot easier. Although, hindi naman lahat ng gamit is nakuha ko na. It's just that I have something to use for now. So, now let's proceed with this darker shade here. Ito. Itong yan. Tapos, ipapat lang natin siya dito sa ating outer corners. Gradually ko siyang gagawing dark kasi ayoko yung sobrang dark na parang nasuntok na. Kasi hindi din ako sanay. This is really not my comfort zone. I'm not on my comfort zone sa makeup na to. But, naisip ko lang siya isang gabi na, why not let's do this? So now, let's proceed to the darker shades. And we'll be using this, itong nasira na to. Yan yung gagamitin natin sa ating lids. So, we'll be putting it here. Gradually, guys. Gradual. Let's get this shade here. Minsan ko lang ito ginagamit kasi napaka-dark niya. Ooh. And I will be putting on concealer sa center ng ating eye so that may pagkakapitan ng ating shimmer shade. So, we'll be using this brown shimmer shade kasi as you can see, may shimmer siya sa center ng kanyang eyes. So, maglalagyan lang tayo ng eyeliner. I'll be using my same eyeliner, itong Detail liquid eyeliner ko. Ayan o, sira-sira na siya o. Ayan, kita nyo yan. Nabibend na siya, ayan o. Baka may gusto mag-sponsor dyan, mama. Hindi ko naman sinabing mama ko pero parang gano'n na nga. Mother, baka gusto mong mag-sponsor. Hala. Hindi na siya magawas, dahil. Tingnan nyo. Pumasok na talaga siya. Ayan. Mahirap na siyang kunin. Ma, baka gusto mo rin magbigay ng eyeliner. Ma, yun yan ang makuha, ma. Yung isang matakalong may eyeliner. Paano na to? Teka lang. Ayun niya talaga, sis. Gagawa natin yung paraan yan. So, ito may may glue ako. May HBW glue ako. Glue stick. Let's try to put some glue sa brush. And then, kuha ulit ng... Ayan! Yan yung gusto ko sa'yo. So, So, naglagay lang ako ng eyelashes and nag-dust off na din ako sa ating binig kanina, off-cam. And then, now we'll be proceeding into paglalagay ng ating blush. And as you can see naman, yung kanyang blush is napakataas and it almost touches her eyes or her lower lash line. So, for now, I'll be using this orange kasi medyo orange yung hindi naman medyo orange talaga yung kanyang blush. So now we'll be adding highlights, the most important part of the day. So ito, gagamitin ko tong Goldie Gold and mag-highlight lang ako sa aking nose. Then, now we'll proceed with our lips. So, since makikita nyo yung lips niya is parang naka-extend dito, yun yung gagawin natin after natin maglagay ng lipstick. So, kanyang lipstick is napaka-light na pink. So, we'll be using this Maybelline na Maybelline Superstay in the shade Seductress number 65. Kasi, ayan, kita nyo naman yung kanyang pagka-pink. So, nagkakaubusan na ang aking mga gamit. Paano na yung pag-YouTube ko? Baka may gustong mag-sponsor. So, now will be the tricky part. Gagahin na natin yung kanyang lips. So, kukunin ko tong ito, isang to. Kukunin ko yan. Gamit yung ginamit ko sa kanyang aking eyeliner brush. As eyeliner brush kanina kasi wala na akong ibang ganito. So, now let's try to draw it now. Nakita ko rin tong na to sa TikTok and first time ko siyang gagawin. Awkward lagi, basta ako. Awkward oy. Napaka-awkward na. Ba't ang pangit pag ako? Nakalimutan ko yung nasabihin ko na sana yung kanyang line eh. Teka lang. Where there's light. Ay, hindi naman ako. Where there's light, there are also shadows. Parang King Louie yan eh. Ano ba yung kay Esmeralda Wait. Okay. Voice over. Voice over. The night sky tells all. Okay. The night sky tells all. No. The night sky tells all. Yes! If you have any ML Hero suggestion, please do comment down below. And marami mga feels sa video na to. It's just that I'm so happy kasi nag-chat si Mama. Yeah, nag-chat si Mama and mukhang bibilhan niya tayo na mga gamit. So yes guys, see you in my next video. I hope you're doing well and I hope you're doing good. See you on my next video. Bye! Esmeralda! Wata ba? Hindi, kay Chu yan.